Ayan ang mukha ng kakadede lang, oh. Tulog. You happy now? Happy you had your milk? Happy you had your milk? Double chin? May double chin na siya, guys, oh. Oh.
This candy is very yummy all the time.
Very yummy all the time?
And I eat this and this way tasty. I'll take the paper off and I'll taste some. I'll way taste the yum.
Oh, yum? Sapa kayo na siya, guys. Grabe na.
Love you, baby Celine.
Oh.
I love you at the parents. Cuckoo kaka.
Good afternoon, everyone. Tita and Tito. Happy Friday. Honey, it's your first Friday in the world. In the outside world. Our baby Celine is 6 days old today.
Three.
How about our Ate Paris, oh? Gymnast. Baby, say hi. Welcome to our channel, nak. Look at here. Now, yan talagang gusto niya, guys. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Look at here, nak.
Hi guys.
Here, look at here. Saan na lang nila pagkakita.
Hi guys.
Welcome. Ang ganyan talaga yung mga type niya, guys. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Ambot na lang. Mas ng bata apon. Hello. Ito, pang ilang beses na namin na-change. Kasi nag-ano siya, guys. Speed up siya. Nak na? Shush, big girl naman na among baby, oh. Big girl naman na among baby. Ayan. So, yung tatay niya at si Ate Paris ay maglalakad na naman sila. Tingnan niyo sa labas. Can you see? Ay, hindi. Too bright. It's been raining. Sobrang ginaw sa labas. Ang ating heater ay nakaano. So, the two of us will stay indoors. Isn't that right, Nak? Isn't that right, Nak? Can you give Mama a smile? Smile. Give me a smile, honey. Who loves her milk? Who loves her milk? Hi, Nak. Hi. Ito binibihisan ni Daddy Mike. Alis silang dalawa. Nak, where are you going, Nak? Paris, go. Where are you going? Shops. You gonna get Mommy and Baby Celine something?
Which one do I want?
What do you think?
Pizza?
Pizza?
No, chips.
Chips? The healthy one, what do you think?
No.
Huh? What do you think is good for baby sister? Oh, okay.
Yogurt for baby Celine.
Oh, yogurt for baby Celine. Okay. Can you say to baby Celine it's okay?
It's okay.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang tatay na ang okay. Didi na lang.
Stand like this.
You show me your outfit.
Like this. Look, stand like daddy. Put your phone down. Stand. We'll take a photo. You can get the phone back. You can get it back.
I'm taking a video. Come on.
Like this.
Wow.
4 grams. One for back.
Look at Mommy. Wow. Tingnan niyo silang guys. Twinnings. Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay, I'll take a photo
Mom
now.
wants to take a photo. Can we take a photo together?
Hang on, Paris. I just want to ask Paris, do you like your jacket, honey? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang jacket. Ito, yun yung binili ni Daddy Mike kahapon dumating. Anak, do you like your jacket?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. It's now 2:50 ng hapon and kakabihis lang ni mami nyo. Suot tayo ng jacket kasi lalabas tayo. So, Daddy Mike and Paris, diba lumabas sila kanina pumunta ng shops. Kakauwi lang nila. And si Paris ay nakatulog sa pram. At the moment, ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog din. So, andun sa bassinet niya. So, like, quickly change my clothes and all. Kasi, yung plano ngayong hapon, dadalhin namin yung mga damit namin doon sa laundromat kasi sobrang dami na. And, yeah, sobrang makalat na dito sa bahay, guys. Parang lahat na lang mga damit na dapat labhan. So, kailangan naming dalhin doon kasi puno na yung dito sa bahay. And also, another exciting thing, ito na naman sa atin nyo. I know sa mga nakasubaybay sa akin, dito sa ating channel, sobrang hilig ko talaga sa mga kakanin, mga pagkaing Pinoy. And kanina, nung si Daddy Mike at saka si Paris umalis, sobrang ginutom talaga ako, guys. Like, sobrang yung tiyan ko parang naghahanap talaga ng masarap na pagkain. May mga pagkain naman dito sa bahay, pero alam niyo yung cravings ulit. Cravings ulit. Hindi, gusto ko lang talagang kumain ng luto ni Ate Rachel din kasi sobrang sarap din ng luto niya. So, nag-message ako kay Ate Rachel. Sabi ko, te, may mabibili ba dyan nakakanin? May naiwan ba? Kasi ginutom si bagong panganak. And then sabi niya, hali, pumunta ka dito. May naiwan ako. Ano ba yung sabi niya? Puto, cassava cake. Meron pang isa. Tapos, tinanong ko siya kung meron siyang macaroni salad. Sabi niya, ready na daw. So, oh my God. Yeah, sabi ko, I am coming. Like, walang makakapigil sa akin. Pupunta talaga ako, guys. Kasi, sobrang nagugutom ako sa pagkain Pilipino. So, ayun. Kaya ang ating tiyan ay parang buntis pa rin kasi nagugutom. And I think like it's normal, guys, no? Kasi nagpapadede tayo. So, always na-release yung kinakain and yeah, para-paraan. reasoning. But alam niyo, actually, kahapon ba yun? Ako kasi, kahapon o kanina, hindi ko alam yung mararamdaman ko kung iiyak ako or tatawa ako sa sinabi ni Ate Paris natin sa akin. So, alam niyo na, hinawakan niya yung tiyan ko, sabi niya, bouncy daw, ganun. Kasi nga, diba, pakita ko sa inyo, hindi naman kasi diretsong bababa yung tiyan mo, diba? Ayan, ano ba itong, ring light? Diba, hindi naman yan siya, diba, naka-shorts na, naka-pek shorts na naman si ate niyo. Matatatluhan na naman to. Joke, hindi, diba, hindi naman yan siya bababa kaagad, kasi nag-expand yung uterus mo, and so malaki talaga yung tiyan mo pa. Ayan. So, sabi ni Paris, sabi niya, very bouncy daw. And alam niyo, sinabi niya, guys, sabi niya, you have another baby in your tummy, mommy. So, sa tingin niya, ay buntis pa talaga ang mami niya. Ganyan talaga kalaki na? Ha? Ang tiyan? Grabe. But I'm not in a rush, guys. Kasi, alam ko, I was like this, kay Paris. I think lahat naman siguro nagkakaganito, 'di ba? Yung muscles ay parang nag-separate yung ganon. So it takes time para magbalik siya. I don't think it's going back to like original state. I'm not sure. And I'm hoping, but wishful thinking lang siguro. But you know what I mean? That's our body. Like, it's done an incredible job. My baby na tumubo dyan for 9 months. And, I'm not really worried about any of that, guys. Like, seriously, para sa akin ngayon, I am well. My baby is well. That's the most important thing. Last na to, iisipin ko. Like, I'll get there. Malaki na ang mga kids and all, then I can get back to like, I don't know, exercise again and that, para lumiit-liit yung tiyan. But again, I'm not in a rush, guys. So, ayan, yun yung outfit. Pero sobra akong, sabi ko, nak, iiyak ba ako, nak? Or tatawa ako sa sinabi mo? Kasi parang masasaktan yata ako. Anyways, that's all good. That's all good. Kaya nga yung mga kids, di ba guys, hindi yan sila talaga naglalay. Like, there's no filter at all. Like, sinasabi nila talaga yung totoo. So, yun yung ating pa-outfit. Yan lang. But it's good to be back wearing this kasi hindi na siya masyadong malaki. Malaki pa rin siya pero hindi na masyado. And then back to my shorts kasi you know me guys. Yan talaga yung ko. Gusto kong suotin kahit winter.
A few moments later.
Hala, ang dami ng prom nakapark dito. Nainamaspas. Ito siya, lalok.
Certain things in the room or the outside world that's just different instead of just this haze.
She's waking up. Ay, gosh. Tignan niyo ang kanyang skin, guys, oh. Nag-change skin na siya. Nak na? Nak, nag-maxipil ka, nak? Nag-maxipil ka, nak? Maternal nurse. No, okay.
So we'll drop Paris first and then.
Oh, yes.
That's cool. Drop Paris.
Hello, sweetie. Hello. How's your nap? How's your nap? Huh? What now, honey? Didi again? Ang kanyang ate ay tulog pa rin, oh. Tingnan yung mga pram dito sa bahay, eh. Hello? Hello? Hello, beautiful girl. Hello, beautiful girl. Kinat na namin yung kanyang nails, guys, ah. So, hindi na yan siya, sharp. Ayan ang mukha ng kakadede lang, oh. Tulog. You happy now? Happy you had your milk? Happy you had your milk, double chin? May double chin na siya, guys, oh. Oh. Daddy, she's smiling. Hello, everyone. Just had my milk. I love my milk. Hmm? Wait. Kanimo, Celine. Kanimo, Celine. Nalihok ng isa dito. Ito ang kanilang
I just got an Instagram message.
fatherhood.
I just got an Instagram message.
What is that?
Lovely. We are looking for a baby who will represent our brand, and we want to have you on board. For the details and information, please send a message to our main account, Laurentine Baby, or check my link in my bio and let them know, share, refer you. Get lost.
Sure. Ang bata ni mama nga gwapa mo niya mong baby buyag, oy. Nak ba? Mag-aiwa ka liwat sa mong mama, nak. Someone's awake. Hi.
Such a better place than when I first.
Okay.
Kabog ka na? What happened? Ate? What's she doing?
Yeah, sleeping on the floor.
Can see her. Lo! What's going on? What's going on? Josh! Ang dalaga ay. Ligid-ligid sa log. Ay na, oh, baby Celine is here. Come.
A few moments later.
Na, nag-meet naman ni tita na.
I like-
Nandito na guys. Oh my God! Fruit salad!
What's that?
Fruit salad, anak. Tita is there now.
Huh?
Hindi na natin na-vlog si Ate Rachel, but
Guys,
anyways.
Tita like me.
Tita like me. Do you think so, Nak?
Yes.
Okay, I'll ask her, huh? If she really likes you.
Yes,
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you. I very love you. Sit down properly.
He's lovely.
Do you like her?
Yummy.
It's very yummy.
It's so good.
So, yum. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Nakabili kami ng mirror. Ayan, para makita ko si baby Celine. Kasi, hindi ako comfortable na mag-drive na hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari sa kanya sa likuran. So, at least kanyan. And, na-pick up na natin yung ating kakanin. Hang on, honey. Ayan na lahat dyan. Oh my God, kinain ko na yung isang puto. And I think may cassava cake dyan. At nag-order ako ng macaroni salad. And you know what's good thing about it, guys? Best thing, actually. So, sa Ate Rachel, yung pinabayaran lang niya sa akin ay yung macaroni salad. Pero yung iba, yung mga puto and all, libre na niya, guys. Thank you, te. Thank you talaga from the bottom of my lungs. Sobrang salamat talaga. And yeah, seriously, no joke, guys. Sobrang sarap talaga ng luto ni Ate Rachel, guys. Like, no sugar coating, ha? Kasi binigyan ako ng ng puto. Hindi talaga, guys, like I can vouch for her. Sobrang sarap talaga ng luto niya. And yeah, I can't wait na makauwi kami para makakain ako ng salad. Oh my God, sobrang excited ako, guys. Para akong bata na para naghihintay ng candy. Katulad ng batang iyan, oh.
This candy is very yummy all the time.
Very yummy all the time.
Yeah, I eat this and this way tasty. I'll take the paper off and I'll taste some of the way taste the yum.
Oh, yum? Sapa kayo na siya, guys. Grabe na. Nag-stop kami sa shop. Diyan, oh. Si Daddy Mike ay nandiyan kasi on our way here, dinala namin yung mga yung mga labahin namin para mag-stop kami sa laundromat. Ngayon, nakalimutan pala namin yung sabon tsaka yung fabric conditioner. So, hindi namin malalabhan. So, buti na lang dito malapit kina Ate Rachel, may maliit na shop. Pumasok si Daddy Mike.
Right?
Hopefully, meron sila para hindi na
Let's
kami
see what color the sugar's yum.
Nak, did you meet Tita Rachel?
Yeah.
You like her?
Yes, but I don't want the dogs.
I don't want the dogs. Natakot siya sa dogs. Why?
Tita, just take the dogs.
Yeah. Tita Rachel took the dogs. You were scared?
It's all scared like a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. Didn't
Yes.
bite you. They're good dogs.
Yes, they want to play. They want to play with me.
They want to play with you, yeah. But you got scared. That's
Yes.
okay.
I'm not scared anymore.
Yeah, next time. Did you like Tita Rachel though?
Yes, I'm just gonna way bigger, and the dog can play with me anytime.
Yeah, exactly.
But Rob was good. From Paw Patrol. Sky's good too.
Yeah.
Robert, Chase, Rocky, Iris.
Alam nyo kanina, guys, pag stop namin, sobrang iyak ng ating baby girl. Uy, ito oh. Ayaw niya kasi ang tawag ito, na mag-stop. Gusto niya diretso-diretso. Can you see Celine from there, no?
Yeah, I can see his toe.
The fabric conditioner, too?
Let's go back to Celine.
Sabon
for
to
you too.
more.
There's a for the bath?
No, it's for the clothes.
It's for the washing the clothes. The washing the clothes. Alright, guys. We're going. Say we're going home. We're going to wash the clothes.
I'm gonna go home.
So see you later.
See you later.
Hello,
Bye-bye.
tita and tito. Hello. Hello. Kanina pa pala kami nakauwi, guys. But now is, 6:40 ng gabi. Yung daddy nila, iniwan namin doon sa laundromat. Siya yung maglalaba at magdadry ng mga damit. And then, when he's finished, then we will go pick him up. Ito siya, inuwi namin kasi nag-explode na. Nagpo-explosion ka na. Pag uwi namin dito, grabe dito, oh. Punong-puno ng pupo, oh. At ngayon, kasi nakapag-dede na ulit, pupo na naman. Nakapupo na naman. Isip ni, baby Celine, you talking about me? Ano ko? You talking about me? Huh? Are you talking about me, Mama? Nagchismis ka, Mama? Mulot. Tatong. Ang ating ate Paris ay nandito, oh. Nak, say hi, Nak.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Let's play.
Flying. Hi, Tatut. Makain pala ako nito, oh. Ayan ang macaroni salad ni Ate Richelle. Medyo pa siya, frozen pa siya. Pero masarap talaga, guys. Sobrang creamy niya. Hindi talaga tinipid sa milk. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala, guys, na meron na akong 2 lactin. But at least si Ate Paris ay medyo, ang tawag dito, hindi talaga baby na parang kailangan talaga ng atensyon katulad nito. So parang nakakausap ko na siya. Pag kailangan ko ng mga nappy or wipes, ganon, tinutulungan na niya ako. Anak na? You help naman, ha? Kasi si Mama din, Vicky. Nag-help ka, big girl. I love you. So I love you to baby Celine.
I love you.
Hey, come here. You tell her.
I love you, baby Celine.
Oh, I love you, Auntie Paris. Cuckoo Kaka.
Mommy,
Hello.
can I have
Hello, princess.
slime?
Poop slime. Come on, go sit. Close now. Get ready.
I want to
Come on
slime like this one.
Okay, when we go to the shop.
Come on, Bobby. Here's a bun. Yeah. Come on, Bobby. Here's a bun.
Have a look here now.
That's so fun.
No, face here. Wow. Come on, put the clothes on the bed. Okay, Ulo. Tito, see you. Sit down.
Ma, I just want to go a little bit close.
Ay.
I don't want to know like Corella.
Okay. Put your...
But I'm a good girl. But Corella is a boy.
You're a good girl, honey. You are. Baby.
But look at this.
Big girl, while baby Celine is chilling. Oh, wala siya nag-iwak sa mo.
You're chilling. I'm just trying to play with this.
Come on.
Ooh.
Come on, Auntie. Don't jump past. Okay, baby Celine. Baby.
I'll
That
jump.
one, this one. There you go. There you go. Now, ready for bed.
Right?
And this one is...
Baby Celine.
Baby Celine is relaxing. Relaxing. Ano?
I'm just playing.
Tignan natin yung vlog dito kasi This little one is making noise now. And ayan ay naglalaro pa. Oh, hindi pa inaantok. It's 9:30. Ayan. But we'll just do a quick shout out. Shout out to Barbie Mamba, Gigi and Laika Vlogs, Cheryl Wilson, Elizabeth Alamer, Emma Galera, Rosemary Verzon, Chinita Bisaya, Yet Palino, Novero Yoli, Jovey Lab, Maricel Sarcino, Maybel Awas, Lovely Dugomeo, Heidi Sancha, Jovian Lagahit, Irene Aliperio, Norilyn Holok, Arlene Singular, Darren Gonzalez, Daisy Anhao, Wilma McRoy, Emmy Garcia, MJ The Explorer, Chari Tamayo, and Ligaya Palma. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Paris!
Don't worry.
Shh. Paris! Thumbs up if you like it.
I'll do the back side.
And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And, whoa. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Ano? Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Careful, bye.